Hello, everybody. Another new boot day. Another pair of Franks. Love my Franks. Means another pair, this time of Rykers. I have really fallen in love with these Rykers. They are my third pair. And kind of thought that they might actually be my last pair, because how many boots can a guy actually wear? But the more I think about it, the more I think that there's going to be another pair of Rykers in my future. Excuse me. It's a Michter's 10-year from bottled in 2014. Last year, I thought it was really, real good. Can't believe that I've had that bottle for 10 years now. So, like I said, it is a Frank's Ryker. Ryker means the fabric here, which goes all the way through. It's more breathable. It's lighter. It breaks in. Well, there's relatively no break in. It's very comfortable, lighter. I think it's a great choice. I was really hesitant to it at the beginning, and I really didn't think that it was going to be my style. But here I am on pair number 3. So this is a 1977 last, otherwise known as the number 4. It's the tallest toe box. I like that extra toe box room. I have sensitive toes, especially my left big toe, so I really like to have the space to wiggle them around and not worry about any pressure on them. I did do a Celastic toe for that same reason. It's a 5-inch, which is what I did on the other 2 Rykers as well. It looks better with shorts. I mean, if I was going to be wearing these with pants mostly, then I would have gone for, well, at least a 6, probably an 8. I think the 8 is the sweet spot with the least amount of break in and the most support. But I really don't need a lot of support, and I thought I'd wear these with shorts at least half of the time. So I thought by doing a 5-inch, it would look more like a high top sneaker height. Would be something that I could wear. I usually wear khaki shorts or a pair of Carhartt Ducks. So, that brown color, almost orangey brown color. So I thought that this would look really good with that. I did the padded matching collar. I did contrast stitching all around, which of course means the welt stitching matches as well. This is a Kudu. This is CF Stead's Kudu Autumn Spice. It's known for its character. It shows through everything that animal went through in its life. So it has built-in texture, makes those first few scratches a whole lot easier. I did the block heel. I did it a quarter inch taller than I did previously. It doesn't look quite as good at a quarter inch taller, but it is more comfortable at a quarter inch taller. This is a high arch boot, and this heel balances it better. So I went with a quarter inch taller heel this time around. It is stitched down. So it's got the McKay lock stitch on the inside that I don't have a chance of actually showing you. um, I did the Dr. Souls half soles, and I did them in a color. It really came out a little yellower than I thought the McKay, the Dr. Soul natural was, but I did it to match the canvas and the stitches. I still think it looks really nice. Of course, it's got all the finishing touches, all the pretty round top brass nails down there. Really been impressed with these Dr. Souls. They are my absolute favorite now. I do still get the V100s, usually the White X or the Honey for work boots, but for casual, I don't think I'm ever doing anything but Dr. Souls again. They are just fantastic. They wear well. They they feel good to walk underneath. They don't slip on the ice. Really great sole. Like I said, it's 5 inch. It's got the antique hooks, or not hooks, all eyelets. I did all eyelets on these. At this height, I don't see any point in hooks, and I think it's actually easier than hooks at this height. So I did that. Let's see what else. No pull loop. I never do a pull loop. Never use them. Even when I have them, I don't trust them. They just get in the way and they get caught on pants. So, and I think it looks cleaner without it as well. So, no pull loop. Did the leather laces as always. I did the casual kilties. So they're rounded there. And you notice there are no holes because I have taken to putting my own holes exactly where I want them, right underneath the eyelets, because I feel that it holds the kiltie in better and ends up looking better since there's no chance of seeing the lace down there between the holes in the first eyelet. I did a video on that showing how I'm going about doing that. I got leather insoles, which is my thing that I always do. I do it because I think it feels better. Because sometimes my feet will make a squeegee sound on the inside of the insole that they're made with. So this alleviates that. And if I want to wear some super thick socks or even double up on some socks, I could pull this out and still have the boots still fit me the way that I expect them to. Got the break-in sheet and a Frank's sticker for the toolbox. So thank you guys for that. As always, I think they did a fantastic job. I do not see anything out of place. It is a great leather. Kudu is tougher than regular cow bovine. Did I say thicker? I meant tougher. It's tougher than regular, but it's also thinner and a little bit more supple. So it's easier for break-in and a little bit more comfortable while still being extremely strong. Just a great hide, um, a fun hide. So that's that. 1977 last, blogger heel. So it's got the high arch, antique hooks, padded collar that matches, contrast stitching. I am positive that everything I just said I had already said once, but I'm just trying to make sure I cover everything for y'all. Like I said, I think it's fantastic. I couldn't be more than happy. So, thank you everybody at Frank, Michelle, Ashton, Jamie, um, Jeff. I mean, everybody on the crew. I mean, everybody did a fantastic job as always. Exactly what I wanted. Really look forward to breaking these things in. Junior, sorry. Haven't talked to you in a while, Junior, but thank you, Junior. Hope everything is going well for you. And that covers it. So, I mean, any questions that you've got, I'm always reading the comments and responding. So, if there's anything I didn't cover or any other questions you had, please check it out. I have been doing a lot more other videos. I've been doing the BIB Brothers in Boots podcast, and I think we're up to episode 32. We've been doing them every week since, and we haven't missed a week yet. So, a lot of great content there. If anybody wants to check that out on the channel, and I definitely will be doing another pair of Rykers. I'm not totally positive what they will be yet, but they will be within the next year. So, I look forward to being able to show those to you when they become a reality and get dropped off at my door. Thanks again. Take care. Sláinte.